Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. In today's video, we're going to show you guys a few methods to screen record in Windows 11. Before we jump into that, if you're interested in purchasing Windows 11, Windows 10, Microsoft Office, remote desktop licenses, Windows Server, or a wide variety of other Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll put links down below. So without further ado, let's jump in. Okay, so since I'm currently recording my screen with Microsoft Clipchamp, which we will get into later, we're going to start by showing you guys how to use the Snipping Tool. So if I hold down Shift and I hit the Windows key together with S, that's going to pull up what's called the Snipping Tool. I can change this to the video mode here, and I can drag a section or the entire screen in which I want to record. With that selected, I can then hit Start. Then I can go ahead and proceed with whatever I want to record, whether it's working on a project or making a video like this. Once I'm satisfied with the recording, I'll hit Stop Recording. And as we can see, it automatically brings it up here. To export, hit the three dots in the top right and click Share. I can export this video and send it via email with this button. Another option here is just to click this little print button here, and that's going to export it as a local file. From here, I can save it to my downloads, hit save. And now if I navigate to my downloads, we can see the file right here. I can double click it and we can play it back. All right, guys, so I switched the screen recording to the Snipping Tool so I can actually navigate Clipchamp without stopping my recording. Clipchamp comes pre-installed and ready to use upon downloading a new installation of Windows 11. If you don't have it, simply search the Microsoft Store. So I'll click the Start menu and we'll type Clipchamp. We'll hit Enter on Microsoft Clipchamp, and the homepage for you will look something like this. We'll start by hitting Create a New Video, navigate over to Record and Create. Next, we'll click Screen. From here, we can select our input device, so our microphone for recording audio. I'm going to select this as None for now since I'm already utilizing the microphone from the Snipping Tool. But for example's sake, this microphone I'm using here is called the Fifine microphone, so I would select this one if I wanted to record that audio. Once you're ready to record, hit the red button, and then we can either select a window, or what I like to do is just go over to entire screen. From here, you would click the entire screen window and then click share to start recording. At this point, you would probably minimize the software and go ahead and proceed with whatever you want to do. And just take note that your record time is going to be a maximum of 30 minutes per session. Once you're satisfied, again, you can hit stop record and click save and edit. The export process on here is similar. If you have multiple takes, just make sure they're all in here and ready to go before you export so you don't lose anything. From here, I'll select export and I'll choose my resolution. I'll navigate to the file and I'm going to rename this one just so that I don't mix it up. We're going to call this test. Now we can always go back into editing here after exporting, and we can also even go home, and this project will still be saved. So if I go back to home, we're going to continue without sync to the cloud. That's just telling us that we don't have a backup, so we could lose information here, but I can go back into this and continue to edit. We're not going to cover any additional editing in this specific video, but we will be releasing a free editing video on Windows 11 within the next couple of weeks. All right, guys, so that's going to do it for today's video. If you have any questions about screen recording in Windows 11, drop those in the comment section below, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Again, if you're interested in purchasing genuine Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll put those links down below. We strongly encourage any specific video topic ideas you may have. And lastly, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated as it helps to support the channel. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys next time.